Hi all, my name is Catherine, Assistant Professor from the Department of AML, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today in our lecture series, we shall see a case study about the RSA algorithm in secure communication. Under this public key crypto systems, we have so many algorithms like RSA algorithm, Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm, and Elgamal crypto systems algorithm. So today we shall see a case study based upon this RSA algorithm. So the RSA algorithm was named after its inventors Ron Rivest, Adi Shamir, and Leonard Edelman. Is one of the most widely used encryption methods for securing digital communication. It relies on the mathematical properties of prime numbers and modular arithmetic, which I told you in the number theory series itself, to ensure confidentiality and integrity in data transmission. This case study explores the application of the RSA algorithm in a real-world scenario involving secure communication between two parties. So here we can take a scenario that is where Alice wishes to securely send a confidential message to Bob over an insecure communication channel such as the internet. They decide to use the RSA algorithm to encrypt and decrypt their messages securely. So we shall see how they are using this RSA algorithm. So implementation part involves the key generation. So first they have to do is Alice generates her RSA key pair consisting of a public key E, N and a private key D, N. As I told you earlier, public key crypto systems uses two keys, public key as well as the private key, where N is the product of two large prime numbers P and Q, and E and D are chosen such that they satisfy certain mathematical properties. So Alice publishes her public key E, N for anyone to use for encryption while keeping her private key D, N secret. So I told you earlier that the public key will be available to anyone. So the Alice, what she will do now is she'll go register this public key in the directory. So anybody who has access to the directory can take her number and store it in their own public key rings. So the first step is encryption. So now Alice wants to send a message M to Bob. She first converts the message into a numerical representation M using a suitable encoding scheme. Alice then what she does is she encrypts the numerical message M using Bob's public key E, N to obtain the ciphertext C. This is achieved by computing C is equal to M power E mod N. So what she is doing here is she is encrypting the message using Bob's public key. So obviously, you know, Bob's public key will be available to Alice. So Alice sends the ciphertext C to Bob over the insecure communication, that is the encryption, internet. So decryption part, what happens is upon receiving the ciphertext, Bob decrypts its using his private key D, N to recover the original message M. This is achieved by computing M is equal to C power D. So you always know that decryption will be the reverse of encryption, C power D mod N. So here the message integrity is achieved. To ensure the message integrity, Alice can also generate a digital signature for a message using her private key. Bob can then verify the authenticity of the message by decrypting the signature using Alice's public key and comparing it with the locally computed hash of the message. So she can achieve both authentication and confidentiality here. First, she encrypts the message using the Bob's public key. So next, she digitally signs the message by encrypting the message using her private key. So what do we understand is the RSA algorithm provides a robust framework for secure communication by leveraging mathematical principles. In this case study, Alice and Bob successfully exchanged confidential messages over an insecure channel using RSA encryption and decryption. By implementing proper key management practice and adhering to security protocol, organizations can leverage RSA encryption to safeguard sensitive information in various applications, including online banking, e-commerce transactions, and secure message platforms. So RSA is still considered to be one of the safest algorithm to securely transmit your messages using this public key and crypto systems. So here they uses both the public key as well as the private key, but it is up to us whether we need only the confidentiality or only the authentication part here. So with this case study comes to an end. I hope you all understood. Thank you.